Hi guys, welcome to my IGTV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows at home. So I am someone who is very skeptical about my eyebrows. I don't let unexperienced hands touch my eyebrows. And over a period of time, I've come up with a solution for this and I've started doing my eyebrows on my own. So at this moment, I have a lot of growth happening and I'm going to zoom in and show you what the current status is. So this is the amount of growth that I have at the moment. I don't know if you can see. For this, we're gonna need these waxing strips. These are from Wheat and they also sell this face waxing strips that I had. So you can use any of these, whichever you have. So anyone who has not tried waxing before, I would suggest please do a patch test on the side of your face or on your hand so that you know that wax doesn't burn or give any allergic reaction to you. Okay, so I'm gonna cut these into small strips of this size. So I've cut these into really thin strips and now I'm gonna go in with some talcum. Putting this on the area where I want to remove the hair. So the hair is growing this way, so make sure you pull against the growth of the hair so that you can just get some of the hair out. Okay, so once that is done, just stretch your skin and you can get the entire growth out. Okay, so for the rest of the bit, I have further divided that strip into two parts. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this is what came out. Okay, so this one is done and whatever extra one or two hair is left, I'm gonna go in with the tweezer and pull them out. So now I'm gonna cut these extra growth with scissor and done. Just brush them using a spoolie. I can't find mine, so I'm gonna use an old mascara wand. So now I'm gonna repeat the whole process on this eyebrow as well, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. And pull. Pull. Now that I'm done removing the extra growth, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil and fill it. And I'm done filling them. You can see how much a well-shaped eyebrow gives structure to your face. If you guys like this video, please share and like it, and tell me in the comments below what more videos do you want to see on my page.